Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Kids Classes. Let's learn some colors. Alphabets. Red color, purple color, dark sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, light sky blue color, yellow color, dark pink color, blue color, orange color, dark green color, black color. This is A. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for ant. Dark pink color. This is B. B for boat. B for bag. B for boat. B for bag. Dark green color. C. C for cake. C for camel. C. C for cake. C for camel. Orange color. Dark blue color. D. D for doll. D for dolphin. D for doll. D for dolphin. D for doll. D for dolphin. Dark blue color. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. E for egg. E. E for eagle. E for egg. Light sky blue color. Dark green color. F. F for frog. F for flower. F for frog. F for flower. Dark green color. G. G for glass. G for goat. G. G for glass. G for goat. Purple color. Red color. H. H for hat. H for hand. H. H for hat. H for hand. Red color. Yellow color. I. I for iron. I for ink. I for iron. I for ink. Yellow color. J. J for juice. J for jelly. J. J for juice. J for jelly. Light pink color. K. K for kiwi. K for king. K for kiwi. K for king. K for kiwi. K for king. Light green color. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lollipop. L for lemon. L for lollipop. Dark pink color. A for aeroplane. A for ant. B for boat. B for bag. C for cake. C for camel. D for doll. D for dolphin. E for egg. E for eagle. F for flower. F for frog. G for glass. G for goat. H for hand. H for hat. I for ink. I for iron. J for juice. J for jelly. K for kiwi. K for king. L for lemon. L for lollipop. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.